4 major CGMP violations: products released without testing, expiration dates unsupported by data, and ultimately an FDA import alert that blocked products from entering the US market. Let's look at what went wrong and why these same gaps still exist in many facilities today. The first violation was releasing products without finished product testing. FDA found batches were distributed without verifying identity, strength, or microbial quality. Later testing even showed active ingredients below label claims. Under 21 CFR 211.165, products should not be released until required testing is complete. The second violation involved incoming materials. The company relied entirely on supplier certificates of analysis without independently verifying material quality. If supplier data is inaccurate, product quality is immediately put at risk. FDA also found that manufacturing processes had not been properly validated. Cleaning procedures for shared equipment lacked validation as well. On top of that, products were being sold with expiration dates that had no stability data to support them. Without validation and stability testing, there is no scientific evidence that products remain consistent, safe, or effective over time. The common thread behind all 4 violations was a disconnected quality system. Critical activities were managed manually, documentation was incomplete, and controls were not consistently enforced. FDA even rejected the company's corrective action responses because supporting evidence, risk assessments, and documentation were missing. During an inspection, promises are not enough. Inspectors expect documented proof. A connected quality management system helps prevent exactly these types of failures. Batch release workflows ensure testing is completed before products are released. Supplier qualification programs track vendor performance and verification activities. Validation records remain linked to processes and equipment. Stability programs automatically track required testing intervals and results. When inspectors arrive, the information is already documented, traceable, and audit-ready. If any of these gaps sound familiar in your facility, now is the time to address them before the next inspection. To learn how BizPortal's QC Flow supports CGMP compliant quality processes, click the link in the description. Stay inspection ready with QC Flow QMS. Book a demo.